Welcome aboard Google Cloud again. Here we are on the platform. We're going to run this command. We're definitely going to create the app engine. We're going to create a bucket, export variables, go to this, create this virtual env of Python, install the requirements. This guy installed for the Python stuff. Okay. We're gonna add this. We're gonna run this guy at ents.py and get an echo of it. So let's ls. Here we are. So let's move into this guy. So let me go to. We create a soft link. Let's call it. So we create a soft link for that. So right here, I'm going to execute these and create all the environment stuff. Let me make it up, put it up. Can watch everything that's going on. So create the app engine. The process takes longer time. Installing Python libraries. This is the pip install. So you can check that everything ran. Close, close, close. So we create the stuff. Okay, there's the app engine. And now we're gonna run our application and check that. So you're running this run server. Quiz. Import app. Okay. Then it's running. So the application is running. So the first step I would like to share. See you in the next video. We're gonna do some stuff with Firebase.